wanna be there when the voices in your head are loud enough to make you lose your mind. But just the same, when you're dominating the day, I wanna be the one who's by your side. You know my love is not the jealous type. It doesn't matter if we win or lose. Oh, I can stay or I can come, no matter where you're coming from. I can be the one to let you choose. I wanna hold you close but never hold you back, just like the banks to the river. And if you ever feel like you are not enough, I'm gonna break all your mirrors. I wanna be there when the darkness closes in, to make the truth a little clearer. I wanna hold you close but never hold you back. I'll be the banks for your river. For your river, be the banks for your river. You are beautiful and wild at every turn. Who am I to take control of that? Everybody needs a voice they can follow when the water and the winds get bad. You know my love is not the jealous type, and it don't matter if we win or lose. I can push or I can pull, no matter what you're trying to do, as long as I can flow along with you. Baby, I ain't saying that you need my help, but you don't have to do it all by yourself. So baby, when the current gets strong, you need somewhere to rest your bones. I wanna be there for you, wanna be strong for you. Oh, I wanna hold you close but never hold you back, just like the banks to the river. And if you ever feel like you are not enough, I'm gonna break all your mirrors. I wanna be there when the darkness closes in, to make the truth a little clearer. I wanna hold you close but never hold you back, be the banks for your river. Wanna hold you close but never hold you back, I'll be the banks for your river. And if you ever feel like you are not enough, I'll be the banks for your river. Wanna be there when the darkness closes in, to make the truth a little clearer. I wanna hold you close but never hold you back, I'll be the banks for your river.
Okay guys, if you like this choreography, be sure to subscribe here for more and thumbs up so we know. Also, if you did want to learn this choreography step by step for yourself, it's available on our website. I'm going to link the program below for you. This is also an example of a custom choreography that we created for 2 of our members. So if you're interested in that for yourselves to any song of your choice, go ahead and check out the programs below. That being said, we'll see you very soon in the next one. Bye.
You know my love is not the jealous type. It doesn't matter if we win or lose. Oh, I can stay or I can